Our son Tyler is a junior at Monmouth College.
Monmouth College has been a great experience for Tyler. He's doing really well here, and in turn it gave Mallory and I a chance to get involved in the Parent and Family Council.
As a graduate from the class of '86, I'm really excited to be able to share these memories with my daughter Elizabeth, who will be graduating this spring. Monmouth has given us many fulfilling memories to share, and I really wanted to give back by joining the Parent and Family Council.
The Parent and Family Council was set up this fall in order for parents to engage in their students' college life. As parents, we want to use our resources to create experiences that will help our kids grow into strong and independent adults.
Parent resources can help our students and our college programs. We can use our professional connections to help our students in their career development, or be ambassadors in our communities to help high school students be informed about Monmouth College and about the great things that are happening here.
To make an impact this year, we picked a project that would make student life easier on campus. We want more Scots Cruisers. Scots Cruisers are bicycles and helmets that students can check out for free on campus. They could ride to an off-campus job or just around town. Wouldn't this look great in a Monmouth tartan plaid?
Demand for the bikes is high, as we currently only have 10 cruisers on campus.
Our goal is to raise $7,500. That's used to purchase 15 more Scots Cruisers, and these bikes will help kids with internships and just for exercise. It's a great tangible way to help our students at Monmouth College.